In this video we show you the Litemover hanging on a truss. Here we show it together with the ARRI Max. The principle stays the same for many fixtures. Only the adapter may vary. Of course, when you hang something in the air, we start with making a double safety security. Then we put two long rods on the backside of the Litemover. Now we take the 90-degree adapter with the other two long rods, we assemble it and slide it over the two horizontal rods. Take the tilt motor and slide it over the vertical rods. Take the cable, pull it through the 90-degree connector and connect it to the main unit. Take the focus motor and put it at the right position. Make sure that the light fixture can move freely in the yoke. With the two pins of the adapter, mount the adapter to the skid plate. Slide the tilt adapter as high up as you want to tilt down. Take the cable of the focus motor, pull it over the 90-degree connector and connect it to the main unit. That's it, you're good to go. Let's move.